While everyone else was out chasing big dreams of striking it rich overnight, 16-year-old Rockefeller was focused on something much smaller. He carried around a little red notebook he called Ledger A. In this book, he wrote down every single penny that moved in or out of his pockets. He didn't just track big purchases. He recorded the cost of a single postage stamp or a handful of candy. To most teenagers, this would seem boring, but to Rockefeller, it was a way of life. He treated his ledger with a kind of religious devotion. He realized very early on that the world is a chaotic and messy place. Most people make decisions based on how they feel or what they hope will happen, but Rockefeller knew that feelings could be wrong. He believed that in a world full of noise, the person with the clearest data would always win. He didn't care about the vibe of the market or what the crowd was excited about. He cared about the tiny decimal points that everyone else was too lazy to track. This mindset is exactly what separates the people who stay stuck from the people who build empires. While other men were dreaming of black gold and luck, Rockefeller was busy counting. He knew that if you could control the small numbers, the big numbers would eventually take care of themselves. He wasn't just keeping a budget, he was building a weapon. By knowing exactly where every cent went, he could see patterns that were invisible to his competitors. He was learning how to find profit in the waste that other people simply threw away. For Rockefeller, the path to billions wasn't paved with big risks, but with the steady, quiet discipline of the pen and the page.